Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to fix Outlook when it's not sending or receiving messages until you restart it or your computer. Let's open the Start menu and type Services. We need to disable two important services. These are services that handle updates. I'll find them and be right back. Here's what these two services look like. I removed them before recording as I solved this issue myself. We need to select these two, Google Update Service or Elevation Service. Right-click, go to Properties and select Disabled. For both services, set them to Disabled and apply. After that, restart your computer and try Outlook again. Another method is to simply reinstall Outlook on your computer. Use Add or Remove Programs. Search for Outlook. Here it is. Click Uninstall, then go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Outlook and reinstall it. This should solve the problem. That's all for now. Take care, everyone.